So this vlog started with a lot of food, and definitely there's going to be a lot. Okay, I just came back from a particular video I ended Sha, and here I am hungry. I have to branch Chicken Republic to get all of these. I got Sprite, I got donuts. Is it donut or egg roll? I also got their crispy chicken, and I also got the other things that you guys saw anyway. After that eating, this is the next day. I didn't film any video, and this is the next day. Okay, so this is what I'm having: oats, milk, egg, and bread. I toasted the bread a little, and yeah, so this is me practically turning it, praying to God for providing food for me, and then demolishing everything. See the way I clean the plates. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's by Sonia, and I'm back again with another beautiful vibes on your table. How you guys are doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine. If this is the first time tuning in, please do subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. So this vlog is basically a house vlog. This is after eating. I just went straight to the bedroom to like make my bed. See, there is one part of the house I love to always see clean, or always kept clean, which is my kitchen and then the bedroom. When it comes to the bedroom, especially the bed I am lying on, okay, I love it. Even if I'm not sweeping, let the bed just be okay for me. Okay, I'll be so happy. So even if I'm stepping out, I take out my time to like make my bed. Let me in the comment section if you are this team bed like me. Okay. So yeah, I went to the market. Sorry for not carrying you guys along, and I got some few things. I want to make plantain porridge, or is it pottage? So these are the things I'll be using, and this is the plantain I'll be using. This plantain is 1,000 naira, and all of these things you're seeing as well. YouTube channel is Vibe, and I'm back again with another vibes on your table. So I want to make plantain porridge because as it starts now, I don't even know. When I go to the market now, I get confused because of how things are. You can imagine someone telling me that onions one like this, and it's not even up to this size that I have like this. Okay, I think it's up to this size. I have this one in the house, and she's saying the last price she's going to give me, this one, is 200. So onions is now the new gold, or the new dollar in Nigeria. Anyways, with no further plenty talk, let me just start cooking. Enjoy the rest of this vlog. I love you guys. So with everything being said, let's get right into preparing this plantain. Pick up my clean pots, and I'll be putting in my plantains so that I'm going to slice them, and then I'm going to be dicing them. Okay, when I'm cooking plantain porridge, I love them to be diced, and I love to use unripe plantain to cook my plantain porridge. Let me know in the comment section if you prefer unripe plantain for your porridge, or ripe plantain, or semi-ripe plantain. You know, some persons prefer ripe, and some persons, just let me know the particular category you actually prefer. So this is me peeling off the plantain. If you don't know how to peel plantain, I'm using this video as an opportunity to teach you. When you use the knife and cut the head and the tail, the next thing you need to do with the knife is you need to push out the knife a little bit so that it can now give you an access, just exactly the way I am doing as a professional. Sometimes I wonder why people will watch your videos that would not subscribe. I have a lot of viewers watching, and I just want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate. You know, it's not easy for you to at least watch someone. Some person said, oh, I watch all the way from Algeria, I watch all the way from this country, that country. You guys are loved. I really appreciate all of you from beginning to the end. Trust me. Okay, so please help me subscribe. Anyways, in the vlogmas kwenu, let me know how the vlogmas is going on your own side, because of my side but I'm trying to upload. So this is me done dicing the plantain, and I said, okay, let me dice my tomatoes as well, pepper, onions, and every other thing that I'll be using for this food. You guys know when we are pushing videos like this, that's because we want it to be fast. We are tired of being slow. So after doing all of the prepping, putting them inside my pots, I have to debone my fish as well. Okay, see, I love cooking these days. Hobby came back from work and this man trying to be all mushy mushy. Love is sweet, so when money enter, love is sweeter. People will sing and know they wrong, okay? So he wants to also have conflicts. This man and conflicts. God have mercy on me. And see, he's trying to hold you at the kiss me, kiss me, kiss me, kiss me. Anyways, this man is so sweet and he's so lovely. And I'm so proud of him. Like, I'm so proud of him and I'm grateful to God for giving me this bundle of joy. So yeah, let's continue cooking. This is me in the process of turning and making sure everything is good in my porridge. So I am cooking. You still choose to take cornflakes.
No, I'm hungry.
Yeah, angry. This is in the morning. This is in the afternoon.
Which afternoon?
I thought you came back to the house.
It was morning. Oh, because you're sleeping, you thought it was afternoon. Mine to make food for me in the morning.
Are you embarrassing me on this app or on this channel? Or
are you filming me?
No, I'm videoing you.
I didn't make my heart. I woke up late.
But you ate something, even if I didn't make food for you. I thought you
came back.
You ate gari. You ate gari. You slept late. You choose to sleep late.
I didn't sleep early one. I ate gari in the morning.
Sure, you guys have heard what this man said. You guys have heard it. I will not say anything. I leave it to God. My baby like cornflakes. See, no matter the amount of food you give him for lunch, for breakfast, and you pack lunch, you see, once he come back, he just want cornflakes. I don't know. If it's because I'm calling him baby, you guys should please let me know so that I will stop calling him baby. Maybe I'll change the name to man or baby man. I don't know. Just suggest another name for me in the comment section. If that's the reason why he loves cornflakes like this, he can literally have cornflakes for morning, afternoon, and night without having to worry. Anyways, my plantain porridge is ready, and hubby says he's not eating now because he took cornflakes, and I said, okay, let me eat this small portion of plantain. So guys, we are done, and my baby is not eating now because you guys just saw that he drank cornflakes. I don't know what's wrong with this man when it comes to cornflakes. I don't just know. He can drink cornflakes like how many times in a day? What is week? Anyways, you guys should come and eat. Father, bless this food in Jesus' name. So I'll be having this small portion. Oh, my plate is thin because I'll be eating with him later. So very yummy. This fish that I got there, it has a lot of bones and open bones. You guys, do you prefer to use ripe plantain to do your plantain porridge or unripe plantain? Let me know in the comment section, because me, I love unripe plantain when it comes to plantain porridge. I don't like ripe. I only love ripe when I'm frying to eat. You understand? Anyway, you guys come and take, okay? So this is the next day, guys. Yes, everywhere is scattered, and anyway. I'll just go and let me off this. I'll just go and do what I'm supposed to do this morning. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Yeah. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to the vlog. In fact, let me just end this vlog here because I don't know what to do again. Let me just end this vlog here. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. So peace out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Okay, and with no further ado, I do regular colors in my videos. I'm going to say bye. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.